Hello everyone, myself Diksha Raj from BCA 4th semester. Today, my presentation is on the topic array. So let's first go through the introduction of array. So what is array? So array is a collection of elements of same data type. It means whenever we have to store a collection of data which is of same data type, we use array for it. Then elements are stored in continuous memory location. It means it is stored in a continuous form. It means without any break. Each element is accessed using an index position. It means each element of that array is used during using index position. It means like 0, 1, 2 in that format, index form. Then index usually starts from 0. As we have already told, it starts from index position, it means from 0. Array helps in storing multiple value in a single variable. Array uses a single variable to store all the data. Example, int R5 in which we have stored 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, that is a same data type. Now, we will discuss about the structure of array, that how array is written in a program. So, array stored data in a linear format. As we can see here, it's a linear format. It's stored in a straight line. Okay. Then each element has a unique index. Each element, it means no index is repeated. Like if it's 0, in this array is 10, then we can't add this 20 also over here. We have to use a unique index to a unique data type. Memory is allocated in continuous block, as we have already discussed that continuous block, like in a proper flow, not in break form. So the access time in array is fast. We can access it by big-O1 format. Now we are going through the representation of array. In the previous slide, as we have seen the structure, it is same as that. The structure is in a continuous form and a unique index is used for each data type. So this is the structure of or representation of array. So we can find index number by using this formula. So now next we are going to discuss about the types of array. So there are three main types of array, that is one-dimensional, two-dimensional and multi-dimensional array. So in first one-dimensional array, single row of element is used. It means only in a single row the array will be written. For example, 5 you can say. Then in two-dimensional array, the table format, that is rows and columns are used in this. We can see 3 and 3, it means in a row format and also in a column format. And in multi-dimensional array, they are stored more than two-dimensional, like it can be rows, columns and either extra with that. Now you can see the examples of those array again here, one-dimensional, multiple dimensional and two-dimensional. So next we are discussing on array operation. So these are few main operations that are used in arrays. So first, transversal, accessing each elements one by one. If we have to access data from an array in a sequence form or one by one form, we use transversal, and this is called transversal. Insertion, adding each element at a specific position. If we have to add an element in a specific index or a specific position, so we use insertion. Then deletion, removing of an array from any index position. Then searching, to find an array, like linear, binary search, we find it by that. Upgrading, that updating or upgrading, it means to upgrade a data in an array. So at the end, we will be discussing about the advantages and disadvantages of array. So let's talk about advantages first. So it is easy to use and understand. So why it is easy to use and understand? Because same type of data type is stored in it. So there is no mixture or confusion forms. So fast access using index, because it is always stored in a proper index form, so it is very easy to access. Efficient memory uses, so it is very efficient to memory use. Now let's discuss about the disadvantages. It's of fixed size. It means if we have declared that my size of the array will be 5, then we can't shrink the size of the array or we can't increase the size of array, so it is fixed. Now insertion and deletion is costly. If we have inserted one array, one data type in an array, so insertion, a new array in the data type is very costly, and also deletion is also very costly. Wastage of memory if large size is large. The memory is waste if the size will be larger than the array. So at the end, we will conclude our topic by array is a basic and important data structure. It is very basic and a very important data structure. Used in many applications like sorting and searching. Provides fast access but has size limitations. Forms the base for advanced structures like list, stack and queues. Hope you all find this helpful. Thank you and have a wonderful day.